Why do you call Corian the queen of interior products? Not because it is the most beautiful product. Because, like the queen on a chessboard, it is the most versatile material in the entire interior industry. It can be shaped into almost anything you can imagine, bringing both strength and elegance to any space. Welcome to the world of Corian. I am Venkatesan, and after 40 years in this industry, I've seen how the right material can transform a space into a masterpiece. As a Corian evangelist, my mission is simple. Today, I'm sharing that passion with you. Corian isn't just a surface, it's a canvas for your creativity. Notice the seamless beauty, the sheer versatility. Whether it's for a high-end kitchen or a bold commercial project, Coric is the master's choice for a reason. It's built to last and designed to inspire. Let me showcase the most important ones. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Thank you.